After a subdued start to the first half of the trading session, the markets are now picking up steam. If you can look at the Nifty, it's above the 14,100 levels. Sensex is back above 48,000 levels. I'm here to take you through all the stocks that are moving in trade today. First up, I'll talk about KNR Construction. The stock has hit a fresh record high levels today, post an order win. The company has bagged an order worth 604 crore rupees from Project Director Highways, Chennai Kanyakumari Industrial Corridor project. The stock is up about 32% in the last 52 weeks, is up for a third straight session. Apart from that, you have National Fertilizers. That stock is surging most in almost 17 weeks. In an intraday trading basis, the stock was up about 12% as well on back of record urea production. The company filed on exchanges that it has achieved the highest ever production of 9.99 lakh metric ton urea in Q3, surpassing previous records. The company also added that the plants at Nangal as well as Panipat achieved their best ever urea production during October to December 2020. The stock has gained about 51% in the last 52 weeks and is up for a third straight session. HDFC has hit a fresh record high level today. HDFC informed exchanges that its individual loan business continued to improve in Q3 with disbursement growth of about 26% compared to a year ago. And for the 9-month ended December 31, 2020, the company said the individual loan disbursement was at 86% of the levels from a year ago. The stock is up most since December 24th and is up for a fourth straight session. You have IIFL Securities that is gaining in trade today. It's up about 4% as this wholly owned subsidiary IIFL Insurance Brokers gets permission from the IRDAI to undertake insurance e-commerce activity. The stock has gained about 8% in the last 5 trading sessions and is up for a second straight session. Bajaj Finance is a stock that is actually declining in trade today. The stock is down for a fourth straight session. Bajaj Finance came out with this Q3 operational performance and it's saying that its new loans are booked at about 6 million compared to 7.7 million a year ago. The company added 2.2 million new customers in Q3 while it had added 2.5 million customers a year ago in the same period. So that is why Bajaj Finance is declining in trade today. Apart from these stocks, you have MRPL that is surging in trade today. It's up most in 5 weeks. It is at its highest levels since June 26. Apart from that, you have Axis Bank that is surging most since November 2nd. It is at its highest level since March 5th, 2020. RITES is gaining in trade today. It's up for a fifth straight session. It is longest winning streak since December 2019. So these are the stocks that are actually moving in trade today.